We're given the expression y is x cubed minus 4x squared over root x, and we want to find d2y dx squared. We first need to manipulate this expression into a form that we can differentiate. Since we haven't yet differentiated, this is still y. It doesn't become dy dx until we differentiate. Splitting the fraction gives x cubed over root x, and then we get minus 4x squared over root x. We need to express root x as an index, and we should know that root x is x to the power 1/2. So the second term is 4x squared over x to the half. When dividing, we subtract indices. 3 take away a half is 2.5, or as a top-heavy fraction, 5/2. Doing the same with this term, 2 take away a half is 1.5, or 3/2. We're now in a position that we can differentiate, so we'll now differentiate to find dy dx. We get 5/2, x to the power of 3/2. And for the second term, 3/2 times 4 gives us 6, and reduce the power by 1. We want to find d2y dx squared, and we know we get this by differentiating dy dx again. Differentiating this expression, 3/2 comes down in front of the 5/2, and multiplying these fractions gives 15/4. We need to reduce the power by 1, so it's x to the half. A half times minus 6 gives us minus 3, and again reduce the power by 1. We have differentiated now, but we might want to tidy. And to do so, we know that x to the half is the square root of x. And for the second term, the 3 stays on top, and we can put x to the minus a half on the bottom as x to the half. And of course, we know that x to the half is the square root of x.